physical weakness, and fatigue in the eyes. It was the time for prayer. People were going to the mosque. A small boy, Ali, passed by with his mother. He saw that hungry man, said to his mother, "Mom, should we feed him something?" His mother took out a hot roti from her basket and gave it to that hungry man. That man took the roti and started crying. He said, "May Allah reward you both with the best." Days, weeks, and months passed. One day, Ali got sick. He was taken to the hospital. The doctor said, "This operation is very expensive." Mother got worried. There was no money. Then a nurse came in, smiled and said, "Don't worry about the bill. Someone has paid everything." When asked who, the answer was, "That hungry man whom you gave bread. Today he is a doctor. He has not forgotten your favor." Moral: the reward for a favor is not just a favor. Sometimes Allah returns it many times over. If you like this story, then definitely like, share, and subscribe to the FunnyFun2 Islamic channel. Remember me in your prayers. May Allah be your protector and helper.